Hello guys, we're back with this 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ. A little bit of an update. As you guys know, this had hit a deer and I had bought a parts Jeep to put all the new parts onto this and keep the cost down. And mechanically we had to put a new radiator, condenser, cooling fan in it, and we put a couple hundred miles on it so far. Everything seems to be checking out okay. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to put new shock absorbers on it, front and rear, which of course the parts store didn't have. So I'm going to do the brakes if they need it now, and I'm going to put some new to me tires on it, which I also pulled off the other Jeep. There's some Cooper tires. They have a lot more tread left on them than these Goodyears do. Overall, this seems to be a rather inexpensive way to get a decent SUV going. And I'm not going to do a how-to video on the brakes or the shock absorbers or how to take off a tire or anything like that. I'm not going to reinvent the wheel on that. This is 99. There's plenty of videos on YouTube. So I don't feel like it'd be very time effective to do a video such as that when you guys could search somebody else who has more experience than me doing that for you. So what we're going to do is a time lapse. Thank you guys for watching. So we did the tires and we did the shock absorbers all around. Brakes actually were not an issue. I'd say there's probably about 70% on the pads that are left, so everything's good that way. These tires I actually pulled off my parts cheap like I previously mentioned, so now I have to fit those tires onto those rims. Those rims are a little bit wider than these rims on here, so I've been having a little bit of issue remounting those tires onto the wider rims, so I'm going to spend the rest of the afternoon trying to get that done. So now mechanically what we've done to this is radiator, condenser, coolant fan, shock absorbers, and tires. Overall this has been a pretty reliable Jeep over the last couple hundred miles. I'm sure that it's going to be appreciated once it's finally delivered. I'm going to check the tie rod ends, ball joints, wheel bearings, stuff like that before I go ahead and ship it, and then pretty much keep you guys updated on that. So thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm not going to do a how-to video on this. There's no sense in reinventing the wheel like I previously said. If you want to know how I did this, just type in what you have and what you need done. It's 1999. You probably won't see me do any how-to videos on it just because it's old. People have already done it. A lot of people have probably already done it. So hope you guys enjoy. I'll keep you updated on what we're doing to it. As you can tell, there's still a whole bunch of rusted parts on here. I didn't use anti-seize or anything like that. That is because hopefully within the next couple of years, all that stuff is going to be taken out and we're going to do something completely awesome with it. I don't know whether or not this is actually going to happen, but that is what my plan for it is. Again, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe, and, just keep watching. Thank you.